Okay, Pute, good evening, all of you. I think you all can hear me. Hamotam mawa henawada.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Pute. Today we are going to start new lesson. Write down the topic. It is algebraic expressions. Okay. Algebraic expressions. Write down the topic. Sorry, algebraic expressions. Okay, algebraic expressions. Okay, Pute, when we consider algebraic expressions, okay, algebraic, first of all, let's identify what is mean by algebra, okay. Algebra means the place where we discuss about the unknown terms in mathematics, okay. We know that when it comes to mathematics, there are known terms and unknown terms. Known terms mean the numbers that we use day to day life, okay, to do the operations, addition, multiplication, division, likewise, okay. We know that when we have given particular numbers and asked to solve a particular question related to it, we know that how to deal with the numbers. The algebra means when there's unknown terms, when it comes to unknown terms in mathematics, English simple letters are used as the algebraic terms. Okay, that means they are called the unknown terms in mathematics. Okay, so when we use you may think that we need to express a particular quantity. Quantity mean you may just think about just like length of a table. Okay, I want to mention that length of a table, but I don't know what is the value exactly of the length of it. Okay, or you may think I want to express about age of a particular student, or you may think my brother or sister or a friend. Okay, but I don't know what is the exact or what is the value of his age. Okay, I don't know how to express it in number. Okay, ඒ කියන්නේ number එකක් use කරලා නේද? ඒ කියන්නේ සංඛ්‍යාවකින් අපිට මේ යම්කිසි අගයක් හරිද? එහෙම නැත්නම් ප්‍රමාණාත්මක දෙයක් quantity එකක් මේ නිරූපණය කරන්න බැරි අවස්ථාවක අපි යොදා ගන්න සංකේත වලට තමයි කියන්නේ VGS සංකේත කියලා. අපි ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් කියනවා algebraic terms කියලා. හරිද? එතකොට VGS සංකේත විදිහට අපි maths වලදී use කරන්නේ English simple letters. Okay, this is very important. Then they are called as the unknown terms. Okay, ඒවට අපි අඥාත කියලා කියනවා සිංහලෙන්. Unknown terms කියලා කියන්නේ අපි නොදන්න පද. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ දන්නේ නැහැ. We don't know what is the value of them. Then to express them, to instead of those unknown terms, we use, okay, so the particular unknown quantity, we use the English simple letters. Those are called the algebraic symbols. in mathematics. Okay. එතකොට English simple letters අපි maths වලදී use කරනවට තමයි කියන්නේ algebraic symbols කියලා. ඒව එතකොට වෙනස්ම දෙයක් නෙවෙයි. ඔයාලා දැනටමත් දන්නවා. එතකොට මතක තියාගන්න maths වලදී අපි English simple letters use කරන්නේ unknown terms වල විදිහට. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒ වෙලාවේ මොකක් හරි අපි නොදන්නා අගයක්. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ අපි හිතන්නකෝ අපි යම්කිසි ප්‍රමාණාත්මක දෙයක් අපි නිරූපණය කරන්න ඕනේ සංඛ්‍යාත්මකව. හැබැයි අපි ඒකේ අගය දන්නේ නැති වුණාම මේ සංඛ්‍යාව වෙනුවට අපි යොදා ගන්න symbols වලට සංකේත වලට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ algebraic terms නැත්නම් algebraic expressions කියලා කියන. expressions හැදෙන්නේ terms වලින්. අපි බලමු කොහොමද expressions හැදෙන්නේ කියලා. හරිද? Then before that, let's just give an introduction related to algebraic expression. Then first of all, let's write English simple letters are used in mathematics instead of unknown or instead of numbers. Okay, those are called unknown terms as well as algebraic symbols. Algebraic symbols. They are used to express values of unknown symbols. මේක ලියා ගන්නකො algebraic terms අපි කොහෙද algebra කියන එක හම්බ වෙන්නේ ඔන්න ඔතනදී. හරිද? Then after, let's write down about the algebraic expressions. Put a star mark and write algebraic expressions are formed by numbers, operations, and algebraic symbols. Okay, write this. Okay. Then after, let's identify parts of an algebraic expression. Okay. Parts of an algebraic expression. Putri, have you finished the writing? Really, brother?
Yes, madam. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then let's identify parts of an algebraic expression. You may think here it is 3a plus 1. Okay. Now you can see here for this number. Okay. The number which is written with the algebraic symbol. Now here it is algebraic symbol. Now. It is called the coefficient. Okay. This is called the coefficient. And this is called the algebraic symbol, or we call unknown term. Unknown term. And this is called the operation. Operation. And this is the number that is written alone at last of an algebraic expression is called the constant. Okay, this is called the constant. These are the parts of an algebraic expression. Okay, write down parts of an algebraic expression. Okay, Putti, have you finished the writing?
Still writing, teacher. Yes, madam.
Still writing. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Some of them are still writing. May I erase this one, Putti?
Okay.
Okay. Now shall we move to fill a table, okay, related to parts of an algebraic term. Okay, first column is algebraic expression. Second column is unknown constant. Unknown constant. So unknown term කියලා කියමුකෝ අපි unknown term. Coefficient. Operation. Okay. ටිකක් උඩ වැඩි වගේ. Coefficient. Operation. Now, okay. Okay, try to fill this one. ලියන්න බලන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ. Identify the parts of the algebraic expression and write the answers. Have you finished the writing answers? Delivered.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Then tell me what is the unknown term here?
X.
X. Very good. It's X. Then what is the coefficient here?
5.
It is 5.
5.
Can you see any operation here?
So no operation here. Yeah.
Is it no operation?
Multiply then. Multiply.
There is a multiplication here, no? How we identify? Look at it is 5x. Here 5x has been formed by 5 multiplying x. Okay? x x පහෙන් multiply වෙලා තමයි 5x හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් මේකත් අපිට දැන් මේක මේ වෙලාවේ term එකක් කියලා කියනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් මෙතන expression එකක් කියලා කිව්වොත් වැරදි නෑ. හරිද? ඒතර මේකේ තියෙන්නේ multiplication. හරිද? Because 5x has been formed by 5 multiplying x. Okay, then, oh sorry, 5 multiplying x. Then 5x is formed by multiplying 5 by x. Okay, remember it is a special property of algebraic expressions. Okay, then here what is the unknown term?
A.
Yes, it is a. Then what is the coefficient?
2.
2. What is the operation here?
Addition. Addition.
Addition. Addition? Is addition only? No, there's multiplication also because 2a has been formed by multiplying 2 by a. Therefore, multiplication also there. Then addition. Okay. Then here what is the unknown term?
A.
A. What is the coefficient of a? When there's nothing in with the unknown term, then remember
1.
that it is 1. Okay, but when the coefficient is 1, we do not write 1. Okay, then it is 1. And remember that a has been formed by, okay, a has been formed by multiplying 1. එකෙන් ගුණ වෙලා තමයි හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ. Okay, but actually no need to express it, so we do not take the multiplication. එකෙන් ගුණ වුණාම කොහොමත් එක මේ එන සංඛ්‍යාවම එතකොට අපිට minus විතරයි, sorry, operation එක subtraction විතරයි කියලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Here unknown term, what is the unknown term here? It is x. What is the coefficient?
5.
5. What is the operation?
Multiplication and addition.
Multiplication and addition. Here what is the unknown term?
X. X.
What is the coefficient?
3. 3.
3. What is the operation?
Minus and multiplication.
Very good. Here what is the unknown term?
A.
A. Of coefficient?
1.
No, Pute. Look at, when we discuss about the coefficient here, A has been multiplied by 1/3. Okay? Then it is 1 into A, it is A over 3. Therefore, it has been multiplied by 1/3. So, its coefficient is 1/3. Okay? Then operation is addition. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher. Yes, madam.
Okay, then let's move to the construction of algebraic expression. Write down the topic. Construction of algebraic expressions. Construction of algebraic expressions. Okay, let's do some examples because there are many exercises in the tutorial. Let's take some example. Example 1, it means Mala is having X rupees and Nimal is having Y rupees. Okay. Now you can say, I mentioned in the beginning of the lesson, I said you that when we need to express, okay, particular quantity, but we don't know the value, okay. අපිට ඕනේ යම්කිසි ප්‍රමාණාත්මක දෙයක් ඉදිරිපත් කරන්න හැබැයි අපි ඒකේ අගය දන්නේ නැහැ. මේ වෙලාවේ මොකද කරන්නේ? අපි මෙන්න මේ වෙලාවේ තමයි මොකද යූස් කරන්නේ? algebraic symbols. මේ බලන්න rupees, x rupees instead of 10 rupees, instead of 20 rupees, instead of 2 rupees, 5 rupees. It may be different value, okay? But we don't know what is it. අපි ඇත්තටම දන්නේ නැහැ මොකක්ද කියලා. හැබැයි අපි ඒ වගේ වෙලාවට මෙන්න මේ වගේ unknown term එකක්. එතකොට මේ x එකෙන් මේක ඉදිරිපත් කරලා තියෙන්නේ quantity එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ number එකක් තමයි මේ වෙලාවේ. හැබැයි මේ number එක වෙනස් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකට තියෙන අගය අපි දන්නේ. ඒකට විවිධ අගයන් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? exact value එකක් තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. අපිට ඒක change වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? ඒක අපිට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. අපිට මේ වෙලාවේ කියන්න ඕනේ මෙන්න මේ amount එක තමයි අගව තියෙන්නේ කියලා. ඒතකොට මේක මෙන්න මෙච්චරක් කියලා හරියටම කියන්න දන්නේ නැති වෙලාවේ අපි use කරනවා මොකද්ද? unknown term එකක් number එකක් විදිහට. අන්න ඒ වගේ වෙලාවලට තමයි අපි English alphabet එකේ simple letters maths වලදී use කරන්නේ. හරිද? Then Mala is having X rupees and Nimal is having Y rupees. Okay. Now they asked to write an algebraic expression. Write an algebraic expression. For the total money they have. එයාලා ගාව තියෙන මුළු මුදලට algebraic expression එකක් ලියන්න කියලා කියනවා. එතකොට මොකද කරන්නේ මේකට? Now you may think it is given that Mala is having 10 rupees and Nimal is having 20 rupees. Then you are asked to find the total amount they have. Then what you do? You just add these two, no? මේ දෙන්න මොකද කරන්නේ? ඔයගොල්ලෝ උත්තරේ ගන්න එකතු කරනවා. හැබැයි මේ වෙලාවේ අපිට x නුයි y නුයි එකතු කරන්න බෑනේ. ඒකට අපි expression එකක් කියන්නේ express කරනවා. හරිද? ප්‍රකාශ කරනවා. එහෙනම් මම ප්‍රකාශ කරනවා මොකද්ද? මාලා ගාව x තියෙනවා. ඒකට එකතු වෙන්න ඕනේ නිමල් ගාව තියෙන y. To find the total money they have. Then what is the amount that they have? It is x plus y rupee. This is also express particular amount. It is by using an algebraic expression. මෙන්න මේවට තමයි algebraic expressions කියන්නේ. ඒතර unknown terms තියෙන. ඒතකොට මේ මොකක්ද ඇත්තටම සංඛ්‍යා දෙකක් වෙනුවට අපි වෙනත් සංකේත දෙකක් එකතු කරලා පෙන්නලා තියෙනවා. හරිද? එතකොට මේකෙන් අපිට ප්‍රකාශ වෙනවා එහෙනම් සංඛ්‍යා දෙකක් එකතු කරලා තියෙනවා. හරිද? එතකොට මේකෙන් තමයි total එක හම්බෙන්නේ. total කියලා කිව්වහම අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මොකක්ද දෙන්න ඕනේ? It is a sum. Okay, so you have to add. Is it clear? පැහැදිලිද?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Our girls, did you understand? Why you are silent? Any doubt? මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? Hello?
No, madam.
Girls ලට මොකද තත්ත්වය? මේක පැහැදිලිද? නැත්නම් නොතේරුණා නම් කියන්න පුතේ.
No issues, madam.
Okay. After you write this, මේක ලියලා second example එකක් ලියන්න බලන්න.
Finish, madam.
Yes, what is the answer you have got?
A subtract by 1.
Here look at my sister is 1 year younger than me. මගේ සහෝදරිය මට වඩා අවුරුද්දකින් බාලයි කියලා කියනවා. හරිද? Younger than me. If my age is A, express the age of my sister. දැන් මගේ වයස A නම් හරිද? මට වඩා මගේ සිස්ටර් කොච්චරක් බාලද? අවුරුද්දකින් බාලයි. එහෙනම් මගේ වයසින් කොච්චරක් අඩු කරන්න ඕනද? 1 year should be subtracted by my age. Then what is my age? It is A. My sister is younger than 1 year than me. So I have to subtract 1 to express age of my sister in terms of A. Okay, actually my sister make it in terms of A කියලා in terms of A. මෙහෙමත් ලියාගන්න ඕනේ ගානේ අගට. Okay. My girls, why are you silent? Did you understand this one?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Then here I am going to teach you some very important words related to constructing algebraic expressions. Okay, look at this one. Okay. May I erase this today? මේක මකන්නද?
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
Okay, look at here. While you are writing this, read the question properly. Okay, look at the value of a number is denoted by A. That means there is a particular number which is denoted by A. A වලින් denote කරන නැත්නම් represent කරන number එකක් තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් අපි ගන්නවා A. Then we need A. Okay? A. Write an algebraic expression for a number more than half of that number. Pute always remember that, okay? This is very much important part. When you have more than in a particular given question where you have to build up an algebraic expression, you have to substitute addition instead of more than. Then addition come with who? Half, or the number that is written after the more than. Okay? More than කියලා ලියලා තියෙන කෙනත් එක්ක තියෙන number එක. දැන් මෙතන half නේ, half of that number. එතකොට half කියන එක. හරිද? එන්නේ මෙහෙමනේ. මෙන්න මෙයත් එක්ක මේ addition එනවා. හරිද? එතකොට the value or the number that is more than half of that number is you have to add half to the given number. Okay? Did you understand? එතකොට අපිට number එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ number එකට වඩා භාගයකින් වැඩි number එක තමයි අපිට A වලින් express කරන්න තියෙන නැත්නම් algebraic expression එකකින් ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට Aට හැම වෙලේම මොකක්ද එකතු කරන්න ඕනේ? අපි more than කියලා තියෙනකොට එයත් එක්ක තියෙන number එක එකතු කරන්න ඕනේ. Okay? Write down this.
Madam,
Yes, Puti?
can you explain it again?
Sure. Look at the value of a number is denoted by A. Okay? A කියලා number එකක් තියෙනවා. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ අපිට කියනවා write an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression එකක් ලියන්නලු for a number more than half of that number. හරිද? ඒ number එකට වඩා භාගයකින් වැඩි number එකට අපිට expression එකක් ලියන්න කියලා කියනවා. එතකොට දැන් අපිට number එකක් තියෙනවා. දැන් ඔයාලා හිතන්න ඔයාලා මෙහෙම කියනවා. What is the number which is more than 5? What is the number which is 2 more than 5? Okay? 5ට 2කට වඩා වැඩි සංඛ්‍යාව මොකක්ද කියලා අහනවා. මොකක්ද උත්තරේ? 5ට වඩා 2ක් වැඩි නම්බර් එක. මොකද්ද? 7. Okay. Then how you identify it? You add 2 to 5. Okay. Now instead of 5, there's a particular number that we don't know the value. අපි අගේ දන්නේ නැති සංඛ්‍යාවක් අපිට තියෙනවා. හරිද? ඒ තමයි A. එතකොට කියනවා ඒට වඩා හරිද ඒ නම්බර් එකට වඩා භාගයකින් වැඩි නම්බර් එක මොකක්ද කියලා අහනවා. ඒක අපිට algebraic expression එකකින් ලියන්න කියන. ඒතර algebraic expression එකක් හදින්නේ කොහොමද? මොකද මේකට දැන් මේ භාගය අපිට එකතු කරලා ගන්න බෑනේ. හරිද? සංඛ්‍යා මොකක්ගේක් නම් අපිට එකතු කිරීම අඩු කිරීම කර හැකියි. මේ වෙලාවේ එහෙම කරන්න බෑ. එතකොට අපිට එන්නේ expression එක. මේ තියෙන්නේ algebraic expression එක. Okay?
Okay, madam.
Okay, shall we move to another one?
Okay, madam.
Okay, what is here given? The value of a number is denoted by A. ඔන්න ආයිමත් A කියලා number එකක් තියෙනවලු. හරිද? Write an expression for a number which is less than 5 of it. Here, what is the special word? Less than. When it is less than, substitute it by subtraction and the given number. Okay, then the number which is less than 5 of A. Okay, 8 වඩා 5කින් අඩු සංඛ්‍යාව කොහොමද අපි express කරන්නේ? A subtract 5. Because you may think it is you are asked to write what is the value of 3 less than 8. Okay, 8ට වඩා 3ක් අඩු වගේ මොකක්ද කියලා අහනවා. Then how you find? You subtract 3 by 8. Then you obtain 5. But now in this case, you are given the number A. It is given by A, denoted by A. You are asked to write the algebraic expression of y. The number which is less than 5 of it. Okay. Okay, Putri, finish the writing. Deliverable.
Yes, ma'am.
Still writing.
Okay, here I am going to take different one. Example 5. The price of one coconut is, okay, X rupees. Then the price of 1 kilogram of rice is Y rupees. Y rupees. Okay. Write an algebraic. Write an algebraic expression for the Two coconuts and 2.5 3 kilogram of. Okay, try to build up an algebraic expression and send your answers.
Teacher, do we have to tell our answers or send you the answers?
Either center, either tell. Yes, Pute, what are your answers? Can you tell me the answers? Uh, Someone has sent me answer. Good. What about the others? Yes. If you can't send me, tell me your answer. ඔයාලා ගත්ත answers කියන්න බලන්න.
X into X plus Y into Y into Y.
Two coconuts equal x into 2. That means 2x. 3 kg of rice equal to y into 3. It means 3y. Therefore, 2x plus 3y equal the amount of money that must be paid. Then the answer is 2x plus 3y.
Okay, look at the price of one coconut is X rupees. Okay, එක coconut එකක් කීයද? X rupees වෙනවා. The price of 1 kilogram is Y rupees. හරි, මෙන්න හිතන්නකෝ. එක coconut එකක් රුපියල් 10ක් වෙනවා. හරිද? වෙන්නේ නැහැ. වැඩි. අපි just හිතමු. එහෙනම් coconut 3ක් කීයද? පොල් ගෙඩි 3ක් කීයද? පොල් ගෙඩියක් 10 නම් පොල් ගෙඩි 3ක් කීයද? කියන්න. 10 එකතු කරාම 30යි. නැත්තම් 10 3ෙන් වැඩි කරාම 30යි. ඒ වගේ පුතේ එහෙනම් අපිට x ඒව කීයක් එකතු කරගන්න වෙනවද? x ඒව 3ක්. එහෙම නැත්තම් අපිට දෙකක් නේ දෙකක්. x දෙකක් ගුණ කරන්න වෙනවා. හරිද? එතකොට මම ඔයාලට කිව්වා ගුණ කරාම මොකද වෙන්නේ? x times 2 it become 2x. Okay? Then to buy 2 coconuts, it needs 2x. Okay? Coconut දෙකක් ගන්න x දෙකක් ඕන වෙනවා. Okay? Is it clear? පැහැදිලිද? Then we have to add the price of 3 kilogram of rice. Then 1 kilogram of rice is 5 rupees. Then to buy 3 kilogram of rice, how much it needs? It is
3y.
3 times y. That means it is 3y. Okay. Then this is the amount of money that we need to buy 2 coconuts and 3 kilogram of rice. Is it okay now?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
Next, we are going to move to the much important part of this lesson. Before that, we have to complete another part of it. Okay, write down this one also. Okay. Expressing an algebraic expression in terms of expressions in words. Okay. වචනයෙන් කොහොමද කියන්නේ කියලා බලමු algebraic expressions. ඔයාලට ඒකත් exam එකේදී ටිකක් අහන point එකක්. Okay? You may think it is example 1. Express five a subtract 8 in word. වචනයෙන් මෙන්න මෙයාව ලියන්න කියලා කියනවා. Then you can write that 5a minus 8 denotes නිරූපණය කරනවා the value which is less than 8 of value which is 8 less than, okay? 8 less than the value of 5 times 8. Okay? 5a subtract 8 denotes the value which is 8 less than the value of 5 times 8. Okay? This is how we read this one. 5a minus 8 denotes the value which is 8 less than. අටක් අඩුයි කාට වැඩියද? The value of 5 times 8. Okay? Sometime in the exam they ask to express the way of reading a particular given expression. Shall we write another one?
Still writing, teacher.
Okay. Doesn't matter, Putesh. Okay, it is also correct. Okay, someone asked that teacher cannot be write it 8 subtract by 5a. Okay, 8න් 5 a අඩු කරන්න කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. Shall we write another one? Example 2. Express 3x plus 2 inverse. Okay. Then we can say that 3x plus 2 is 3x plus 2 denotes the value which is 2. 2. Is it less than or more than?
More than.
More than. Very good. It should be more than the value of 3 times x. 3 times x. Of 3 times x. Okay. The value of 3 times x. Right now. Okay. Then shall we move to another one? One more example related to this. Express x over 2 plus 3 inverse. Okay. How we write this one? අපි කොහොමද මේක express කරන්නේ? This can be expressed like this. X over 2 plus 3 denotes the value which is 3 more than the value of half of x. Okay, value of half of x. x ගෙන් භාගයකට 3කට වඩා වැඩි අගයක් තමයි මේක නිරූපණය කරන්නේ කියලා. පුතේ දැන් අපිට දැන් ඔයාලට එක්සෑම් පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ 16 වගේ වෙනකොට 15 16 වෙනකොට ඔයාලට එක්සෑම් පටන් ගන්න දීලා නේද දැන් ටයිම් ටේබල් එහෙම. ඔව්. ඒ වුණාට අපි තාම lessons නම් completed නෑ නේද? අපිට තව lessons ටිකක් තියෙනවා ඉවර කරගන්න. ඒ වුණාට ස්කූල් වල මං හිතනවා ඔයාලට lessons complete. ඒවා ඔයාලට මොන හරි doubtful තැන් තියෙනවා නම් මගෙන් අහගන්න. සහ ඔයාලට විභාගෙට උදව්වක් වෙන විදිහට මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා ලබන සතියේ ඔයාලට පේපර් එකක් ඩිස්කස් කරන්න. අදින් මම algebraic expressions ඉවර කරලා ඒකේ ටියුටෝරියල් එකක් දීලා තිනවා. ඒක මම අද ප්‍රශ්නයක් දෙකක් ඩිස්කස් කරලා ඉතුරු ප්‍රශ්න ටික මම ඔයාලට එක වීඩියෝ එකක් දාන්නම්. එහෙම නැත්නම් මම ඔයාලට වෙන එක්ස්ට්‍රා දවසක් අරගෙන නැත්නම් එක්සෑම් එකෙන් පස්සේ හරි අපි ටියුටෝරියල් එක ඩිස්කස් කරමු. ඊට කලින් ඔයාලට පේපර් එකක් ලියලා ඒකේ හරි වැරදි බලා ගන්න. මම ඔයාලට පේපර් එකක් එවන්න. එතකොට next week එකේ මම හිතාගෙන ඉන්නවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේපර් එකක් ඩිස්කස් කරන්න. Are you okay with it? කොහොමද?
Okay, teacher.
ඔව්. මං හිතනවා ඒක ඔයාලට හොඳ වෙයි කියලා. මොකද හැමෝටම වගේ ලබන සතියෙන් පස්සේ එන සතියේ එක්සෑම් වැටෙනවා. හරිද? එතකොට ඒ හින්දා මම ලබන සතියේ පුරාවටම ඔයාලට එක පේපර් එකක් දෙන්නම් ඩිස්කස් කරන්න. ඔව්.
Excuse me.
ඔයාලා එක
I have exam in next week, teacher.
next week when පුතේ? Before the Tuesday or after Tuesday?
Thursday.
It's Thursday.
My
Yes, teacher.
exam,
It's true.
my exam is starting on 11th of Wednesday, 11th of October, Wednesday, and maths is on 18th.
Okay. Anyway, that means all the exams will be after Tuesday, no? The next Tuesday, no? Then I will send you a paper and I will please write it by taking 2 hour time. Then within that time, try to finish the paper, okay? Because it will help you to how to identify how to manage the time and what are the difficulties that you face when you write a paper. Okay, to identify all these things, please try to write the answers for the paper. Then next week in the class, I will discuss that paper. ඒ paper එක මම එදාට ඔයාලට discuss කරලා දෙන්නම්. එතකොට ඔයාලට පුළුවන් වේවි ඔයාලා නොතේරෙන තැන් ඔයාලට බැරිුණු තැන් මොනවද කියලා හරියට අඳුරගන්න. මොකද විශේෂයෙන්ම ඔයාලට එක්සෑම් එකට ගියාම එක්සෑම් එක ලියද්දී ඔයාලට වචන හම්බ වෙනවා. එතකොට question types නේද? මේ ඔක්කොම ටිකක් වෙනස්. ඉතින් මම පේපර් එකක් ඔයාලට දෙන්න ඒක මම ඩිස්කස් කරනවා. තව පේපර් එකක් ඔයාලට දෙන පේපර්ස් දෙකක් මම එවනවා ඔයාලට. ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ තනියම ඒ කියන්නේ ඩිස්කෂන් එකකින් පස්සේ එක්සෑම් එකට යන්න කලින් ලියලා යන්න. ඒතර පේපර්ස් දෙකක් විතර ලියලා ගියාම ඔයාලට තේරෙයි කොහොමද පේපර් එකක් හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ, මොන වගේ පාඩම් වලින්ද වැඩිපුර ප්‍රශ්න අහලා තියෙන්නේ සෙකන්ඩ් ටර්ම් එකේ කියලා ඔයාලට පැහැදිලි වෙයි. හරිද? ඒ හින්දා ඒ ටික සම්පූර්ණ කරගන්න ඕන හින්දා මම පේපර් එකක් ඩිස්කස් කරන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලට මිස් වෙච්ච ඔයාලට බැරි වෙච්ච තැන් එකෙන් තව ඔයාලට කවර් අප් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඊට පස්සේ බය වෙන්න එපා. සෙකන්ඩ් ටර්ම් එකේ අමාරු පාඩම් ඔක්කොම ටික මම ඩිස්කස් කරලා දෙනවා. සෙකන්ඩ් ටර්ම් එක ඉවර වුණාට මම ඒ ටික කවර් අප් කරනවා. හරිද? Hari. Then I am going to move to the next important part of this lesson. They are the type of terms of actually simplifying the algebraic expression. Before we move to that, we are going to identify the type of terms, types of algebraic terms that we mean when we simplify algebraic expression. First one is like terms. Like terms. Here, unlike terms. Unlike terms. Okay. Like terms are the terms with same unknown term. Unknown term are called like terms. Okay. Then let's write an example. A, 3A, 5A minus A. These are called the bunch of like terms because their algebraic term is equal. Then x minus x, x over 2, 5x. Okay. Now these are also one like terms. Then unlike terms are terms with different unknown terms. Unknown terms are called unlike terms. Okay. Then for example, it is 3A, 5x, 7b minus y. Now you can see that here the unknown terms are different. So these kind of terms are called unlike terms. Okay. Write down this chart. Okay, Pute? Have you finished with the writing?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam. Now, what is the importance of the learning the right terms and unlike terms? It is help us to do the simplification of the algebraic expressions. Okay. Then write down the next subtopic. It is simplification of algebraic expressions. Okay. Simplification of algebraic expressions. Then put a look at here when you have given simplify. Okay, this word is very important. Simplify means you have to express the expression in its simplest form. Now you may think that I heard in the previous question also, someone says that y plus y plus y. Instead of that, we can express it as 3y. Look at y plus y plus y. Here they are like terms. Y, y, y. Like terms can be simplified. That means it is just like kind of adding three twos. When you add three twos, it is 6 because we can simplify. But in this case, you may just think we just add, if there are 3 flowers, then that means you may just think that here it is the same type of 3 flowers are there. Then I can say there are 3 flowers. Okay, instead of saying that one flower, one flower, one flower කියනකොට වැඩිය නේද? අපිට ඒක මොකක්ද? 3 flowers. There are 3 flowers. So like that, here I can say it is 3y. Okay? This is called the simplification of an expression. Then like terms are simplified, but unlike terms cannot be simplified. Okay? You may think here another simplification of like terms. Here there are 2 ways. For 2a, a is added. Then what happens? It becomes 3a. Okay? Then another one. It is 3a plus 5a. What is the answer? Okay, look at and tell me.
8.
Yes. 3 for 3a, 5a is added. Then it becomes 8a. Fourth one. Okay, it is 2a add 3a add a. Then what is the answer? 2a add 3a add a. It is 6a. It is 8a subtract 5a. Now it is a subtraction. Then a අටක් තියෙනවා. a අටකින් 5 අඩු කරාම become 3a. Very good. It is 3a. Look at here. It is x and 5x subtract 4x. Now, first of all, add x and 5x. එක x එකකට 5x add කරනවා. Then what is the answer?
6x.
6x. Then from that 6x, 4x are subtracted. Then what is the answer?
2x.
2x. Very good. It is 2x. 7. 7x subtract 5x and 3x. Now what is the answer? From 7x, 5x are subtracted.
5x.
7න් 5ක් අඩු කරනවා. එතකොට කීයද? 2යි. නේද? 7x ගෙන් 5x අඩු කරාම 2x වෙනවා. එතකොට 2x ට අර ඉතුරු වෙන 2x ට 3x එකතු වුණාම කීයද?
5x.
5x. Very good. It's 5x. 8. It's x plus y plus x plus y. Now tell me the answer.
2x plus 2y.
Very good. There are two x's, so it becomes 2x. There are two y, so it is 2y. 2x added 2y. What is the reason? What is the reason?
Because
It is
x and y are
because,
unlike terms.
very good. X and y are unlike terms. Okay. Pute, please write down this. Metically ගන්නකො. Pute, may I do the class until 9:15, 9:20? Is it okay with you?
Okay, madam.
Others?
Okay, madam.
ඔයාලට බඩගිනි නම් එහෙම කන්න අහගෙන ඉන්න ගමන් කෑම කන ගමන් මම අහගෙන ඉන්න මම චුට්ටක් වැඩිපුර වෙලා අරගෙන මේ ලෙසන් එක ඉවරම කරන්න.
Okay, madam.
Okay, have you finished the writing? ලියලා ඉවරද? Okay. Putting this command is very important, okay? එතකොට මේ algebraic expression එකක් මෙහෙම අපිට simplest form එකකින් ලියන්න ඕනේ වුණාම තමයි අපිට simplify කියලා දෙන්නේ. හරිද? සමහර ළමයි simplify, solve, express, find value ඔය ඔක්කොම පටල ගන්නවා. 9th one. It's 5x. හරි මේ ටික ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරන්නේ මේ ටික ලියාගෙන ඉන්න. Okay, Putri, have you finished the writing and doing the exercise?
Yeah.
Okay. If so, let's see what are the answers. Here, look at 5x and 2x are added. 5x, 2x, that it is 7x.
Yes.
3y and 2y add. Then answer is 5y equal. Here 4a and 3a added. Then it is 7a. Then 5b only, 5b. Next, at last, we have to write the 7. Yes, 3x add 6x. Answer is 9x. Then
9.
4 and 5 added, it is 9. Okay. Then a plus 3a added, it is 4a.
Yes.
And b added, it is 2b. And at last, we write the 7. Okay. Have you got it like this? Actually, no need to spare this. I just do it to identify. Okay. 7x and 3x are added. So answer is 10x. Next, it is 5y because always write the algebraic terms first. Then 2 and 3 are added. Last 5. 5x subtract 2x. Then it is 3x. 4y add y. It is 5y. 10x subtract 4x. It's 6x. Negative 7y plus 10y. Answer is 3y plus 3y. Okay. Check whether you have got the answers like this. මෙතන සුට්ටක් ඔයාලා නිකන් බය වෙන්න ඇති. -7y plus 10y කිව්වහම. Here it is what? It is simplification of directed numbers with different signs. No? Then you have to subtract small by large and you have to include the sign of the large value to the answer. Can you remember? We did them in the directed numbers lesson. Okay, have you got an idea relevant to the simplification of algebraic expressions?
Yes, madam.
Just put it. Do you have any doubts?
Oh,
No,
madam.
everything clear. Okay, if so, let's move to the applications of this. Okay, that means constructing algebraic expressions and simplifications. Okay. Constructing algebraic expressions and simplification. They put it, the most basic one is example 1. You may look at that. Here it is given that a square. Okay, square එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා. How we identify it is it is a square because all sides are equal and it is given that one side equals to 3x. And they asked to find perimeter. Okay, look at how we find the perimeter. Oh, sorry, not find the perimeter. express the perimeter of square in terms of x. x වලින් නිරූපණය කරන්න. If we take the perimeter as P, we know what is meant by perimeter. It is the total outer length of a plane figure. Then there are here 3x. There are 4 such kind of sides. So 4 3x's should be added. So when you add 4 3x's, answer is 12x. Perimeter can be expressed in terms of x as 12x. Okay? Did you understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Do we have to write down?
Okay, Putte, let's move to another one. Now, what is this? Can you tell me?
A rectangle.
Yes, it is a rectangle. You may think it is given that this is 3x and this is 6y. Okay, you are asked to express the perimeter of given rectangle in terms of x and y. Okay, what is mean by express the perimeter of given rectangle in terms of x and y? That means you have to express it as an algebraic expression. Okay, try to do it by yourself. Yes, Putte, can you check and tell me the answer? Kian Paran Balala. What is it? How we write the perimeter? To find the perimeter of a plane figure, we have to sum up. No? That means we have to add the.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Putte.
Teacher, can I tell the answer?
Okay, tell me.
Teacher, 12y plus 3x.
Mhm. Here, what you have to do is you have to add the length of the straight line segments. No? Then perimeter is equals to. Now, there are two equal sides of a rectangle. Then we can add two 6y's. Then 6y add 6y. Then 2 3x because there are two sides of where equals to 3x. Then 2 3x are added. So 2 6y's. That means 6y plus 6y answer is 12y. 2 3x. Then it is 6x. Or you can find the answer, write the answer as 6x at 12y. එහෙමත් answer එක ලියන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? Is it clear? මේක පැහැදිලිද?
Yes,
Shall we
teacher.
move to another one? Okay. Shall we move to a triangle? Now try to identify a given triangle. Which kind of triangle is this? When it is given kind of this way?
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
Yes, it is isosceles triangle, no? Okay, then express the perimeter of the given triangle. Given triangle in terms of x and y. Okay, tell me the answer by looking at that.
6x plus 2y.
6x plus 2y. Is it correct, others?
No.
Yes. How we write this? It is P equals 2y add 2y add, because there are two equal sides which is equals to 2y. Then this is also 2y, no? Then 2y add 2y add 3x. So answer is 4y add 3x. This is the perimeter of given triangle. Or if you are asked to express the perimeter of given triangle using an algebraic expression, the same way you have to do this. Okay? Is this clear? The next last part is, just put it. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Write the next last subtopic. It is substitution. This is very important one. In mathematics, substitution plays very important part. Okay, substitution. Okay. May I erase this one?
Okay, madam.
All of you finish?
No, madam.
Now have you finished?
Yes, madam.
Aman?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Now look at how we do this. Find the value of each of algebraic expression given below Then A equals to 4. Okay. My first one is A plus 1. Now, Puti, what is the answer of A plus 1 when A equals to 4? Then what you have to do is, you have to put 4 instead of A. Then what is the answer? It is 5. Okay. If so, what is the answer of A subtract?
3.
3.
Yes.
3.
Then instead of 4, we substitute 4. Then 4 subtract 1, it's 3. Third one, put a look at, it is very important, two-way. When it is two-way, it is not enough to just put the 4. If you do it, then it is not correct because it gives different meaning. Okay, because actually you can see it just become 24. Okay, එතකොට 8 දැම්ම 24 හැදිලා බෑනේ. Then remember that when you substitute in such occasion, you have to put it like this. 2 into 4. Okay, 2 multiplied by 4. This multiplication symbol definitely come after 2. When 2 and the number and particular algebraic term are together. Then 2 into 4, it is 8. That means it says that this means multiplication. Okay. Then please write down this. Then after let's move to
Finish, teacher. Okay, madam.
okay, I have to discuss 2 more examples. Look at it carefully. Definitely this kind of things will be there in your exam also. Here it is given that 2a plus 1. When? Now here look at.
Teacher, 9.
Yes, here 2. 2a and 2 multiplied by 4. Add 1. Now remember that when we have such kind of expression, we do multiplication first. It's because we have to give the priority for multiplication before addition. So don't add 4 plus 1 and multiply it by 2. It is not correct. 2 times 4 is 8, then add 1. Answer is 9. Okay. Then if so, tell me the answer for this last question. This fifth one. 2a subtract 1. What is the answer?
7.
Equal 2 into
Yes,
7.
7.
Yes, it is
7.
2 into 4 subtract 1. 2 into 4 is 8 subtract 1. Answer is 7. Okay. Have you got this? Are these clear? This is the end of algebraic expressions lesson. Okay. Now you have to do all the questions in the tutorial. Okay. Then you will be able to get more practice on the what you have learned today. Okay. Then next day I will discuss the given paper and I will do the discussion of tutorial definitely. Okay, it may be after the term test or before term test. I will try my best. Okay, then thank you for your participation. Goodbye. God bless
Excuse
you.
me,
Thank you,
madam.
madam.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, Pute.
Can you give me small time to note down this one?
Yes, sure.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, madam.